If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Burn, 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 burn. Okay, it's not burning. Oh my fucking goodness, man. Holy shit, man. This is for the fifth time that I've been burning my stupid fingers. What are you even looking at, huh? Sitting down on YouTube 24/7? My fingers been burning. What about your Luna Classic? Stupid Luna Classic. It hasn't been burning yet. Ouch. Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to Luna Classic update. Trading at 13,846 at the moment. And yeah, what are you guys looking at? It's still not burning. This thing is still not burning just yet. And it's so funny already that we talked about this one on the monthly time frame, that I do see some trouble on the monthly. This is what I've been talking about, that you potentially are trying to make a flag here, and this is almost becoming a very clear bear flag pattern at the moment. And yeah, one can even expect next month just to raise a little bit up, back up to retest the monthly flag and then go down as well. That's something that can be expected. People are going to flip very bearish and then it's going to pump all of a sudden. Now for me personally, I enjoy discounts. So there's a portion of a long term that I have, and then there's a portion of trading funds that I use. Now this, for me personally, if I do get that huge discount, 7,000 or even all the way down to 4,000, I like it. I would really enjoy something like that one. So the bear flag technical target says that you could get a technical target nearly down here to 6,635, and that's actually going to be a drop of nearly 52% as well. Different chart shows different targets. Some are showing 72% dumps as well, which is possible in my opinion. Now there's a very big wick down here that potentially want to be taken away, but if you look at the 3-hour time frame at the moment, you do have a little bit of that resistance coming up here. So let's talk about this one, and let's talk about this little bit of a channel right there. I want to know if there's any bullish divergences or not. So I'm just going to dive into the 4-hour time frame here. And yes, the 4-hour time frame is pretty much oversold, but you can still even come down to 21.22 as well. That's a different thing. I want to check the daily for oversold or not, because there's a support level on the daily that I still want to see. Yeah, so here we are, the daily time frame. Now the daily time frame shows that Luna Classic is at one hell of a buying place and a buying area, because if you look at this, if you look at the RSI, this is one of the best places to buy Luna Classic at the moment. So if you look at it, you do have one touch, nearly a touch, second touch, third touch, and this is about to be the fourth one down here. So yeah, can we have a little bit of a pump? Can happen. It can definitely happen. We can still make a little bit of that push back to 16,000, and if it does even do a pushback, we might be talking about an 18%. Now that's a very good sign, right? This is a good sign on the other side. That could be, because of course things are not going to go down very straight, like, crash all of a sudden. They're just gonna maybe make a push and go back, like down, up, down, up, down, up, something like this. So if you can actually pump back up to 16,674, that would be amazing, and then continue down, down, down. Just pump because the RSI is oversold. That's my point. And diving into the 4-hour time frame, I want to show you this one level of resistance that is printing out. And number one, you have something like this going on. Of course, you're going to have to pay attention to Bitcoin as well. So if you look at this channel, you have support number 1, support number 2 right there, support number 3. This could be another support down here, could be another buying opportunity, and then from here, who knows, maybe pump a little bit, and then when you break out, you continue all the way to 15,356. Now, if something like that does happen, then we're talking about nearly a 12% move to the upside. No guarantees though, but I will say that if you see Luna Classic trying to break above this, channel here, then you could potentially just make relief rally to 15,000, even 16,000 to backtest this level, and then get rejected here and then move to the downside, because you're really oversold on both daily and both the 4-hour time frame. So even the Gaussian challenge, in my opinion, you're really bloody right now for Luna Classic. Now, no guarantees. I don't like trading Luna Classic in this zone because of the manipulation that can happen. Pretty much the technicals are failing as well. They're working, I mean, they're working about 20% of the time they're failing actually. So it is what it is, and that's pretty much it for this update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.